So you need to password protect a page on your Squarespace website. I'm sure you have a very specific reason for this. This is one of the features that I have noticed on Squarespace, but never really had a reason myself to do this. I'm guessing it might be something like you have members of your group or something like that that you only need to be able to have access to a certain page on your website, the content that's on there, and don't want everybody on the internet to be able to see it, and don't want to mess with having logins and passwords and for every member. Just want to have one password for this, some type of scenario like that. The good news is this is really simple. Hey, I'm Bryan with Abound Web Design with another Squarespace tutorial for you. And today, like I said, we're going to talk about protecting a single page on your Squarespace website with a password. Okay, so to show you how to do this, we're going to use the website for my wife's publishing company. You notice the similar name there. But we're going to put a password protection on this about page. So we're going to do that and get it off there quickly before, for demonstration purposes, then get it off there quickly so that anybody trying to look at her website doesn't run into that problem. But to do this, we're going to go into pages on the website there, and you'll see the settings wheel right there beside the about page. And then you're going to just scroll down here to, this is under general, and you'll see the password section here. So we're just going to add a simple password of password, all lowercase letters. And I wouldn't recommend ever doing that if you actually wanted to keep people out. It's not going to work. And we'll save it. And yeah, it doesn't like that. But no, we're not changing it. Sorry, Google. But to see if this worked, so you can see what happens here, we'll open up a new tab and we'll go aboundbooks.com. And then we'll go to the about page and you'll see it wants a password. So I'll type in that password and then it lets me in. And again, Google's wanting me to let them remember the password for them, like I can't remember that one. But anyhow, that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.